So it's South Asian actually. So South Asian problems and problem with other cities all over the world seems to be really different, because not much people in our country and the cities are actually landless or homeless, but they are migrating from other cities, other VDCs to capital city. Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal. So our approach is to find the root cause for it, and the root cause is not every city is privileged with better education, better health facility and job opportunities. So our approach is to collaborate with other cities and other VDCs around our capital, to collaborate with them for the upliftment of their education system, upliftment of their job opportunities. So we don't promote migration from outer cities. So what we believe is the power, the economy, the job opportunity all over the country should be balanced. A single city should not gain all the power, all the economy, so that people come all over the country come to the single city. So yeah, we identify the people who are coming from some districts, some other districts. Obviously, the citizenship designates the place they live. So most of the people, they have their lands, but in their villages. They have their house, but in villages, but other cities. So we try to, obviously the homeless people who does not have anything all over the country, we try to collaborate with NGOs and other institutions for the fooding and shelter for those. But for those people who are just coming to capital city for job opportunity, we try to train them. We use some skill festivals, train them with plumbing, electrician, housing construction and cookeries, so that they can get job opportunities. They can create small business in their own cities, their own villages. And also most of the people are migrating to some developed countries as well. So we try to promote the migration of people from the city to other countries, as well as their cities to our cities. So there should be a balance between it. So we believe in that. And obviously nobody should stay homeless. So we identify the homelessness of people, if it is in actual. And also South Asian countries have their culture. Like our country have 126 languages and different cultures. So evacuating a city and coming to capital city does not evacuate the people, it evacuates the culture as well. It evacuates the language as well. It evacuates the cultural events, festivals, everything. So to preserve the culture, to preserve the heritage, to preserve the intangible and tangible heritages in all the cities outside the capital, we need to preserve the people out there. So we need to preserve their population. So we are promoting in collaborating with them to promote their economy, rather than focusing on our city and inviting the people all over the country. Yeah, thank you.